Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, right behind me here, I have my newest delivery and my newest addition to my van camping experiences. It's a lifetime table. It's 4 foot long and it adjusts to about 36 inches high, which is exactly what I need when I'm cooking when I'm on the road. If you noticed in a couple of my cooking videos, I have to kind of bend over a little bit and it's really uncomfortable. So I was looking for a table that would have the height that I needed, that would be a little bit more comfortable cooking outside. A great thing about this table is that it folds in half, so it gets down to 24 by 24, which is going to be perfect for storing behind my camping kitchen, between my camping kitchen and my bed. So I'm really happy about that. The previous table, the black one that I was using before, like I said, it was a little short and whatnot. Just didn't do the trick, but that one kind of, its legs stuck out and it always kind of interfered with the space on the other side of the camping kitchen. So this one will fit perfectly behind the camping kitchen, between my bed and the kitchen itself, and I'm looking forward to that because it's going to free up space on the other side of the van where those legs were sticking out. So yeah. Anyhow, yeah, this is my new thing I bought. Just was delivered just now, and I'm super happy to use it on my next excursion, which I'm hoping is going to be the first week of October. Hey, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, okay? Join my wagon train. Yeah, everything I learn I like to share with you, and in turn you can share with your friends. Okay? Kabish? Kabish. Catch you later, man.